Okay.
You don't get shot.
Whatever it is moving here.
It's gonna be nothing. Don't cut yourself too, by the way.
Thanks.
Friggin'
It's not nothing. What the heck?
Gumby autopsy.
Ew.
What is
Bones?
it?
Ugh.
What is that?
It looks like dried gum. What the heck? Ew.
That's silly, buddy.
Is it?
Is it?
I don't know.
It looks like it.
It's malleable.
Good word use.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Watching
Big
too much
Ugh.
bones.
word. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's gross. Look, it's just...
It was all connected.
It
but,
must have been, yeah.
But something he expanded.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, there's stuff in the middle.
Yeah, it's not.
Yep.
Oh my god.
There's the rest of it.
Oh, you pulled it too hard and it'll bro. That's what happened.
I didn't pull it at all.
I pulled it.
Oh!
It got pulled.
Oh my gosh! Gumby, what happened to you?
Just rip it. Just rip it. Just rip it more.
Yep, now
This is
he's
not a good place
completely
to put a
hollow.
Is it gonna
hole.
stick to the ceiling?
Oh. Well, now it's a she, Gumby.
It still doesn't stick to the
No,
ceiling.
why would it stick to the ceiling? What
Because
is
I wanted
this
to stick
stuff?
To the ceiling.
I have
Is it like
no,
clay?
I have no clue.
Okay.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's like squish.
It's clay of some kind or another.
It's some sort of clay that they filled with this.
It does feel like old silly putty, but like old.
And this is the same brand, World's Smallest Stuff.
Yes, I don't understand.
Go get your other one. Your real Gumby one.
All right, let me see if I can find it.
That's so weird. It's like...
Yeah, this is what came out of the other one.
Out of the other one?
Out
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
other
yeah.
came-
Yeah, the regular Gumby and like...
Pokey.
Pokey, yeah. I don't
This
know
is
what the...
this is what came out of the original one that I got, and this
Yeah.
one came out of the last one. I'm like, what the heck?
Like, this is gum. That is not...
Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's just horrific. Ugh.
So stupid. And this isn't even that small. It was
No,
clearly
that's-
wrapped up in the box like this.
Yeah, it was all mushed together.
That's probably why it ripped apart like that.
Probably. There's Gumby riding Pokey. You know how they went around in the TV show?
No.
They didn't like clop clop. It was just.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I
That's-
don't know. That's bizarre. I'm gonna have to email them or something. This is just nasty.
Yeah, what the heck?
All right.